Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new here. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. I just got the brand new MacBook Pro and I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. I've actually never had a MacBook before. I've been using my boyfriend's 2012 MacBook Pro to edit all of my YouTube videos and it finally died on me the other day, so I had to get a new one. I got the M3 model and mine is the 16-inch 512 gigabytes. This is a sidebar, but if you guys have been watching my channel, then you probably noticed that I cut my hair. I chopped it all off and I'm so glad that I did. It feels so much healthier and so much easier to manage. I did film that, so I'll have it up for you guys as well. But anyway, that is not what this video is about. It is about this beautiful MacBook Pro that we're going to be unboxing today. I didn't get a case or anything like that yet. I was too excited and impatient to open it, but I will be getting that at some point. So today we're just going to be unboxing it and setting it up. But yeah, I don't want to ramble on too long, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe and give it a huge thumbs up. And I'm so excited to be using my new computer. I'm going to use it to edit this video and all of my future videos. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.